All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. The Los Angeles Lakers have signed Trevor Ariza. I really like this signing. This past season, he averaged 10 points on 35% shooting. He is a good veteran 3-and-D type player. He's got that knowledge. He's got that experience. He knows what it takes to get to that next level. Now he's got Hall of Famers surrounding him. So I think he's going to fit chemistry-wise onto this team perfectly, and then you bring into account he's a decent defender and he's a decent three-point shooter. I think the Lakers have got a really nice match here. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit that sub button. I post Lakers content every single day, keeping you guys up to date as fast as I can. Trevor Ariza, good signing, man. I think it's a great signing, and it gets it going. It gets the ball rolling. We're about to see. Personally, I think the Lakers are about to start making a bunch of signings. Now, Trevor Ariza is 36 years old. However, he's got some gas left in the tank. He played in 30 games this past season for the Miami Heat. We'll see what he can bring to the table for the Lakers, but I gotta say, I would give this signing, honestly, probably a 7, maybe a 6.5. I think it is definitely beneficial for the Lakers. I don't think it's going to really do that much for them. I'm sure it's going to just help add more depth, give guys nights off, that type of stuff. That'll help. He'll be in there for that as well. But I gotta say, it's just I like the age, I like the experience he brings. He's just not gonna do too much for you as far as basketball wise goes. So, he'll give you some defense, he'll give you some threes, but it's not like he's getting 35 minutes a night for this Lakers squad. So I gotta give it I'll give it a 7, maybe a 6.5, maybe 7's a little too high, but I don't think you can really argue this is a bad signing. Veterans minimum contract. The Lakers are gonna be doing a bunch of that. I would expect. Let's see. Well, they got to make decision. We'll see what they do with Wesley Matthews, Ben McLemore, but I got to say they'll probably be I think I'm going to make a prediction here. I think J.J. Redick signs with the Lakers pretty soon. I think they might give Wayne Ellington a look. I think the Lakers will also bring back Dwight Howard. I think Dwight Howard and J.J. Redick might be internal locks for me in my head. I think that both of those guys are going to end up Lakers. I think J.J. Redick wants to get that ring, and then I think Dwight Howard just wants to go back. So we'll see what they do, but this definitely is going to get the ball rolling, and it's a good, solid first move. So most importantly, guys, if you like this video, hit the like button, hit the sub button, posting Lakers content every day, and also comment on a scale from 1 to 10 or just your opinion on the Trevor Ariza Lakers signing. Peace.